Hi children, good morning. How you all are? Today we are starting with page number 51 and we are starting chapter 16. Can, cannot, should, should not. हम ये चैप्टर आज स्टडी करेंगे. Look at the picture and read. Can an ostrich fly? Can means सकना. क्या एक ऑस्ट्रिच फ्लाई कर सकता है? नो, एन ऑस्ट्रिच कैन नॉट. ऑस्ट्रिच फ्लाई नहीं कर सकता. कैन, वी यूज़ कैन टू शो द एबिलिटी टू डू समथिंग. कैन का यूज़ होता है किसी चीज़ की एबिलिटी दिखाने के लिए. शी कैन स्पीक फ्रेंच. आस्क फॉर और ग्रांट परमिशन. यू कैन गो आउट टू प्ले नाउ. आस्क समवन टू डू समथिंग फॉर अस. Can you bring me a glass of water? Cannot. We use cannot to show the inability to do something. Prabhas cannot swim. Prabhas swim नहीं कर सकता. Deny granting permission to do something. You cannot go there. तुम वहाँ नहीं जा सकते. Can का मतलब क्या तुम कर सकते हो, किसी चीज़ की एबिलिटी है और ये कर नहीं सकते. Can not. नॉट मीन्स नहीं, कर नहीं सकते, किसी चीज़ की एबिलिटी नहीं है या इनएबिलिटी. ओके, वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद शुड. वी यूज शुड टू ऑफर एडवाइस. जब हम किसी को एडवाइस देते हैं तो शुड का यूज़ कहते हैं. यू शुड ऑलवेज टेल द ट्रूथ. मेक अ सजेशन. यू शुड स्पेंड मोर टाइम रीडिंग. Express responsibility or a rule. You should clean your room every day. Should not. You should not to offer advice. You should not eat too much junk food. Make a suggestion. We should not use plastic bags. हमको plastic bags use नहीं करना चाहिए. Exercise A. Match to form sentence. One has been done for you. Shashank is unwell, so he cannot go to school. The mangoes are ripened, so you can eat them now. The signal of the traffic is green, so you cannot cross the road. We have too many violins, so we can donate some. He lived in France for 10 years, so he can speak French. We have a holiday on Monday, so we can go on a trek. Exercise C. Look at the pictures. Complete the sentences using can or cannot. Now, February cannot have 31 days. A tortoise cannot move fast. Human being can cook. Animals cannot draw picture. यहाँ से हमको भरना है, ऑप्शंस है यहाँ पर. You can paint in the picture. You can paint the picture. A dog can chew bones. Fill in the blanks with should or should not and a verb from the box. One has been done for you. We should not eat too many chocolates and sweets. You should drink. You should drive carefully. These roads are slippery. You should fasten your seat belt. You should help your mother put these clothes away. Rashi, you should not watch too much TV. It's not good. Hemant should practice more if he wants to win the contest. Now, review 3, do as directed and rewrite each sentence. The girls are practicing hard to win the singing competition. Simple past tense. So, the girls were practicing hard to win the singing competition. The sun rose in the east. So what we will write? The sun rises in the east. The teacher praises. इसका सिंपल पास्ट टेंस लिखना है तो praised. She went to the market. Simple present tense. She goes to the market. It rains. Use the present continuous. It is raining. Fill in the blanks with simple future tense. Form the verbs in the bracket. Simple future tense. Sandra will meet. They will fly. I shall call you once I reach home. The next bus will leave. We shall drive you to the station after half an hour. Means to form the correct pair of sentences. There are a lot of fruits in the fridge. You should not buy more. Pranav looks ill. He should go to the doctor. Mother, I have done my homework. Can I go to park now? I am not very good at drawing. I can't even color neatly. Don't use a sharp knife. You can use instead this. Okay. In homework, what you have to do, children? To write page number 51, 52, 53 and 54. Okay. Have a nice day, children. Bye bye. Take care.